Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your traffic sources with BuzzSumo easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and type in the URL for BuzzSumo. Once the BuzzSumo homepage is loaded, you will need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for a free trial. After logging in, navigate to the Discover tab on the main menu. Here, you can enter keywords relevant to your niche in the search bar. Click the search icon to see results related to your entered keywords. The results page displays content that is currently popular across various platforms. Take note of the engagement metrics such as shares, likes, and comments. These metrics will help you identify what content resonates with audiences. Now, you can filter the results by type, date, or language for more specific insights. Once you find top-performing content, analyze its structure and style. Next, create a list of websites that shared the best-performing content. You can visit these sites to understand their audience and how they drive traffic. Additionally, consider exploring the Content Insights section on BuzzSumo. This feature gives you a deeper look into content trends and performance metrics. Use this data to generate ideas for your own content that can drive similar engagement. After identifying potential topics, it's time to plan your content strategy. Make sure to incorporate the insights gained from your research. Now, create a schedule for publishing your content consistently. Use social media and email newsletters to promote your new content. Lastly, regularly revisit BuzzSumo to stay updated on new trends and opportunities. This ongoing analysis will help you continuously refine your traffic sources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.